If the battery is stuck at 80% while charging your Google Pixel 10 Pro, in order to solve this issue, we can go to Settings. Over here in Settings, proceed to Battery, and then over here we have Battery Health, and then choose Charging Optimization. And this can be the reason why the battery is stuck at 80% while charging. In order to extend the battery lifespan, your phone will only charge to 80% with this option. And it can charge to 100% like once every 1 or 2 weeks to maintain the battery level and reporting accuracy. However, most of the time the battery is stuck at 80%. So if you want to fix that, you can, for example, switch to adaptive charging. However, this option can also limit the battery charging to 80%, especially when it's still learning when you are charging and unplugging the charger from your Google Pixel 10 Pro. Over here below, we can read the description of the adaptive charging and how it works. Therefore, if you want to have no limits and always be able to charge to 100%, you can just disable charging optimization. It is not really recommended to do that, but if you just want to use 100% of the battery all the time, then of course, you can just turn it off over here. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.